welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY for Valentine's Day gifts, and these are my two DIY projects that I did. It wasn't really a project, it was pretty quick, but what I did was I made I don't know what to call it. I purchased a heart tin at Walmart and I made this. I liked it. I seen it on Pinterest and I wanted to do it, so I enjoyed making this. And then I also made a beautiful bouquet. I used fake flowers because I didn't know when I was going to post this video, so I would have rather have used real flowers, but like I said, didn't know I was going to post this video, so I used fake ones. And all I did was I put chocolates in here and it was really easy. I used pretty much the same stuff. So it was easy and cheap and was not very expensive. The most expensive thing was probably the chocolates, and I got them for $6 for a 16 pack. So yeah, so if you want to do a DIY and you want to know how I did it, go ahead and continue watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with is I got this Valentine's Day tin can. So I got it so that way, what the idea is, I'm going to have flowers on the outside, and then I'm going to be having the chocolates in the middle, so that way it'll look super cute and it's cheap and it's easy. My other idea will also be a bouquet. I only got fake flowers because at the time when I bought them, I wasn't sure when I was going to record this video and I didn't want to buy real flowers and have them go bad. So you can always do this with the real flowers. I'm only doing this with fake flowers. So yeah, but like I said, you can get a bouquet of flowers and you can put chocolates on a cork stick, so that way when you stick them into your bouquet, it looks beautiful. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with this heart. So the tin can was $2.98 from Walmart. For the chocolates that'll be in the middle, I got a 16 pack, so that way I can use some for the heart and for my bouquet in my next idea for the DIY. And these were a 16 pack, and these are also going to be $6.98, also from Walmart. So basically everything I got is from Walmart. And then I got these little like skewers, but mini size. These are actually, I got them in the bakery and they're made for like lollipop sticks. They're called bamboo lollipop sticks and they come as a 30 pack. And these were also from Walmart and they were $2.97. And then I also got this foam little disc. It says it's a 6x1. So if you want to see the size on it, I can also put in the description. I don't have my glasses, so I don't even know if you can even see that. I can't even see it. So that was $2.97. So all this stuff is either, this was like probably the most expensive thing that I bought for my whole DIY. This was like probably the most, because this was $2, this was $2, and that was $2. This was $6. So pretty cheap and easy DIY. Okay, so I'm moving my phone to the side. And also another supply that I would say that you would need is a hot glue gun. So I would say you need a hot glue gun and all the stuff that I basically have today. What you can do is when you put the foam in, the way I'm measuring it is I'm actually gonna put this up to like the inner corner of the heart or in the middle. I'm gonna measure it by that, and the leftover I am putting lines. And basically I made edging lines right here so I can cut them out, and then I can also put them on the basically in these little corners right here. So once you've done the lining of it like this, I'm just gonna cut it out. I just did the outlining of it, and I'm not gonna cut on the exact line. I'm actually gonna go in a little bit more because I don't need that much in this corner. It's a total big mess. So when you do it, look, it fits perfect. And then when I put these pieces in it, it doesn't fit too perfect, so I'm gonna shave it off a little bit so that way it fits pretty good. Because when I put it in here, it's not even fitting. So I'm gonna try to shave it off a little bit so I can fit it in there. Okay, so I was able to shave off a little bit to fit in there. And it's okay if it's not that cute, you know, they're not gonna see that. So like I said, this was, I don't know if you can even see it. This was what it was, and I shaved it off so I can put it in there. So now when I do it, I'm gonna use my other skewers. I use my mini ones for the lollipops. I'm gonna use the bamboo lollipops, this is what they're called again. So these are gonna be too tall. This is the height of them. As you can see, it's sticking out like a lot. So I'm gonna cut them down so that way I can put the candies on here. Mark it with this pen, and I'm gonna cut them. You don't even have to like cut them all the way. What I did for the first one, that was way easier because I was like, oh my god, how am I gonna cut through this? Because these ones are thicker than like the normal ones. Like these ones are pretty thin and like you can easily break these. These ones aren't. Like the lollipop ones are really thick. So again, I measured it, and with scissors, I'm kind of just going like this to it. So that way when I break it, it'll be easier and it'll be more precise. So now that I have kind of dented it a little bit, I'm gonna easily break it. I think I'm only gonna do 3, like break 3 of them so that way I have 6. And we'll see if that works. And if not, we can always do more. Didn't even take that long. And it wasn't that difficult as I thought it was gonna be. So because I wasn't sure when I was in this video, I didn't want to use real ones and it gets ugly. So I'm gonna use these fake ones. I'm gonna cut them on this size just so, yeah, too tall, but it's okay. I wanted to make sure it was a little too tall so that way I don't cut it too short and then I don't have anything to work with. So these are a little too tall. Okay, so before I put this into the foam, I'm gonna measure the other flowers and cut them the same length. Here's the end of my bouquet, but it's okay. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 little flowers, and I'm going to poke them in my foam. Okay, so next I'm actually going to open this pack. So I'm going to use these, and I have my hot glue gun nice and ready. Okay, so I'm going to hot glue the end of the stick and then put it onto the candy. Wait for it to dry. I would say let's wait for like a good probably 30 seconds for each time you glue this on. And once you feel that it's stable enough, we can go ahead and put it in here. And now, I don't even know how much I'm going to put in there. This is the first time I'm making it with you guys. So I'm kind of winging it, but I feel like it's going to come out good. I've been looking at pictures of like Valentine's Day gifts, and I've been seeing a lot of like stuff like what I'm making right now. But I've been seeing like mainly boxes and not hearts. So I feel like this is going to come out really good. Okay, it looks so good. I actually like it. So I'm gonna finish these and then I will show you the end result. And this is how it came out. So I really like it. It's cute. I mean, it was made with love, that's for sure. It came out really cute. I love how it came into a heart. So yeah. So in this DIY, I will only need my bouquet of flowers, which in your case, you can just go out and buy a regular bouquet. You're gonna need skewers, and the regular size skewers. And then you're also going to need some chocolates. And again, I'm just using the leftovers from my 16 pack of the Ferrero Rochers, or however you pronounce them. So I'm gonna organize my bouquet like how I want it. Okay, so I have my bouquet of flowers. I just wrapped it with a regular rubber band. You can get the regular ones that are like, they come in a pack for, I forgot how much, but you can buy them at Walmart as well. But I just organized my bouquet as the blues are in the middle and the greens on the outside. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a skewer, I'm going to get one of my chocolates, and I'm going to glue the chocolate on top of my skewer, and I'm going to stab it into my bouquet and look. And it's not going to be like a typical bouquet, it's going to be a beautiful, thoughtful bouquet. I'm just going to lay it. I don't want to lay it down because I don't want to lay it down all crooked. So I guess I'll wait for it to dry. Wait for about maybe 30 seconds. So I think I'm going to do 8 of these. I'm not too sure yet. Depending on how big your bouquet is, your bouquet of flowers. If you have a smaller bouquet, I would only do a little bit amount. I would do a smaller amount. But if you have a really big bouquet, I would do a large amount. So I feel like I have a medium amount, but I feel like 8 is going to be kind of a lot. So let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try 5 for right now. You know, and if we don't like it, we can do more, or we can take some out. We can play around with it. It doesn't have to be exact, like you don't have to use the same amount as me. Just do whatever that looks good with your bouquet, depending on your size of bouquet. So I'm gonna do 5 of these with the camera off, and then I will come back with 5 chocolates on my skewers. Okay, so I have my 5 chocolates on my skewers, my bouquet, and all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stab it in my bouquet and make sure that it doesn't like stick out to the side, and just, we can also put it into the scrunchie as well. I'm going to put another one on the opposite end. Or you know what, I'm actually going to take the rubber band off so it's easier. So yeah, we'll do the rubber band last again. Okay, so I'm just going to stick it in here randomly and just decorate the bouquet. And the way I'm decorating it is like I'm kind of scattering them in here. So I kind of have like a triangle type of, is the way I'm separating them. 3 honestly just looks good, and then I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna put one right here. And be careful if you're having fake flowers like mine, because I'm stabbing myself and it hurts. Not that bad, but it hurts. And you can always move them around. And be careful because they are glued, they can easily come off. I mean, you can just glue back on again, but just saying, be careful. So I guess in this case, what you can just do is do 1 in the middle and then do 4 on the outside. And yeah, it looks so cute. I like it. Oh, I can only imagine with real flowers. It's gonna look so pretty. But I think that's the end of the video. I'm gonna put a rubber band around it. So you can put it on there and then just like roll it up so it's more firm. And if it gets messed up with like where your chocolates were positioned, you can just fix them. Look how cute it looks. I love them. Imagine if they're real. The mixture with flowers and chocolate, I feel like it'd be good. And I think what I'm gonna do is you can also wrap it, since you don't want to show all this, you can also wrap it with tissue paper or newspaper, something simple. This white tissue paper, and it has like glitter in it, but it has blue like also has blue. I think it has gold and red. It's kind of like confetti. It has all kinds of different colors. Gold, blue, green, red, yellow, but I mean, I think the yellow is the gold. And I'm only gonna use, I think I'm just gonna use one. Or should I use two? I think I'm gonna use two instead. So because I have two, I'm gonna put one regular and I'm gonna put the other kind of off so that way it's like a kind of like a star kind of. And in the middle, I'm gonna put the bouquet. So I'm gonna lay the bouquet on one of the corners and I'm gonna fold it to the opposite side and then fold it like this. Oh gosh, it looks so cute. Look at that. It looks professional on a budget. It looks good. I like it a lot. And if you want to reposition your wrapping paper, newspaper, whatever you're using, totally can, but I love the way it came out. It looks really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing this DIY with you guys. I like sitting down and crafting. I'm a crafting person, so I enjoy doing this. I had a lot of fun doing the bouquet. I had a lot of fun doing this heart. I feel like the heart was the more trickier part because the flowers didn't want to work with me, I feel like. And I feel like roses would be better. They're a little more precise. These are kind of wild. But either way, I feel like it came out good. It looks pretty cute. I can't wait to give it to somebody. It's gonna look really good. And I hope they enjoy it. I mean, I made it myself, so it was made with love. Even if it didn't look the greatest. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see any videos like this. Or, you know, give it a thumbs up if you love Valentine's Day. If not, it's totally cool. I mean, I know it's just another day in the year. But yeah, so if you have any suggestions, want to see me do any challenges by myself, go ahead and comment down below. Also comment down below if you like this video. I tried this video out because I like doing DIYs, but I don't know if you guys enjoy DIYs. And I don't know if it was helpful, if I was terrible at explaining things. I feel like I'm really bad at explaining things. I'm like, do this, this, and this. I'm not very descriptive and I don't really explain well. So I'm gonna work on that for sure. But let me know if you like my DIYs. Comment down below if you want to see me do any other type of DIYs. I have another DIY in mind, but I will let you guys know when it'll be out and what my ideas are for it and stuff like that. So I hope to see you in my next video and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.